What up? I'm Farah, I'm 19, and I never learned how to fucking read. Ooh, a wolf? We're eating good tonight! What? Oh my fairy god! That was my fairy friend! He was a fairy wolf! Yikes. You're my fairy slave now. That's the law of fairyland. I want to see my fairy lawyer. You're a human. That's just... Say goodbye to your shitty house and come live in my huge castle. Alright, but I'm not gonna like it. I love it! You're probably wondering about my mask. You see, I was cursed by an evil fairy queen named Amarantha, who cursed myself and all of my servants to wear these masks because I refused to marry her. Wow, what a mild inconvenience. Farah, quick, hide! It's... Rhysand is here. Amarantha's bitch! How dare! I'm gonna need the girl that's in this room hiding to come out right now. Don't hurt Tamlin, you monster! Okay, I'm pissed. Farah, go back to your shitty house. You are free. Okay, I changed my mind. They're all under the mountain now with arthritis? A human's love can save them. Now I'm in jail. I've made a huge mistake. Psst. Psst. Tamlin, is that you, my love? Oh, no. No. It's Rhysand. Listen. You're not going to beat Amarantha without my help. So let's make a deal. And you'll help me defeat Asthma? I promise. Deal. Mate. What? I said great. Great. I did your challenges and I solved your riddle. So that means I win. Oh. And you killed me. I should have seen this coming. Oh. No! Wait. Every High Lord is here? Okay. We're resurrecting this girl. Let's go. I'm alive? And I'm a fairy? Tomlin, we can live together forever and ever! Yes! I love you so much, Farah. Oh, I love you so much, Tomlin! Yay, happy ending! Give it a few chapters.